The light is on some other. There we go. What? Hold on, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see me because the light is being very strange. Alright, so anywho, I have been in my apartment since August 19th. That's the day that I moved in. And as you can see here, there's one box. This one box is the only box of clothes that I have unpacked in my closet. So all of my other clothes are still in my closet, in boxes, in suitcases, in my room, in my son's room. It's a mess. As you can see, there's nothing in here in my dining room but a picture, a quote actually, which is really cute. I like it. But it's okay. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done, y'all. Okay, so I'm back. I was telling y'all about them clothes, that one box that's empty. Here go the rest of my clothes. I don't want y'all to see up close because it's a mess. But yeah, all the other boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 more boxes in here, and there's 2 suitcases. I don't know when I am gonna get that together, but the good news is that one box that I showed you all earlier, I did that Friday night all by myself, and I felt so accomplished. Yeah, so we get somewhere, baby. So there is still one more suitcase that's in my son's room that I feel so ashamed about because it's a really big suitcase, not like the ones that I just showed you all that are small. It's a really big one. So I really need to get on it. But it's really hard being pregnant and moving, trying to get settled in. It's just a lot. I had to buy all new furniture. Not everything. I had to buy all new furniture, but I had to and I still have to buy things for my other bedroom. I have 2 bedrooms now. I moved from a freaking studio apartment. So I didn't have that much stuff there with me. So it's much bigger in here. I have much more space. I have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's really spacious all throughout the whole apartment. So there's still a lot of furniture that I have to get. And remind you, my son is coming in January. So in between saving money, paying rent, paying other bills, you know, it's a lot. So I haven't really been able to get everything that I need yet. But I'm going to get it and it's going to be fine. And when I finally show you all my apartment, it's going to be too bomb. And y'all going to love it. And you're going to remember this like she told us. So yeah, I mean, for the most part, my bedroom, I mean, of course, I have a bed, I have nightstands, and I have most of the stuff that I want in my bedroom already, except for decoration-wise, putting up curtains and more pictures on my wall and stuff. And I don't have dressers yet either, which is another reason why I still have all of those clothes sitting out, because I know not even half of them are going to fit into my closet. But I feel as though now, since it's getting cold, I need to go ahead and get going with that. So I'm gonna get there, you all. I promise. I'm not going to let you all see my whole apartment until it's decked out, because then y'all gonna be like, oh wait. But yeah, so that's it, you guys. Just wanted to talk to you all about that. See y'all later. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so right now below.